This is the land where Mahabharata was fought. This is the land where Lord Krishna gave the sermon of Gita. I want to develop it so well that everybody from all over the world would want to come to Kurukshetra. I am inspired by the work that BJP has done. I'm inspired by the work that Mr. Modi has done. And I wanted to work with them. Farmers in Haryana are very happy. It's just some people with vested interest, they try to create issues. Otherwise, farmers in Haryana are very happy.
एक ये नैरेटिव बहुत चल रहा है इन चुनावों में, 2024 के चुनावों में, कि अब की बार 400 पार, और अगर बीजेपी थम्पिंग मेजोरिटी के साथ आती है तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बदल देगी, ये आखिरी चुनाव है।
कि छोटे झूठ से अगर बड़ा झूठ बोला जाए तो बड़ा झूठ जो है ज्यादा लोगों को समझ में आता है।
We are in Kurukshetra right now. Kurukshetra is one of the key constituencies, Lok Sabha constituencies in Haryana. Haryana has 10 constituencies, and Kurukshetra is also known as the battleground of Mahabharat, and is also known for the candidature of Naveen Jindal. He is with us. Thank you so much for sparing time from your busy schedule. First of all, first obvious question is that how does it feel to be in BJP now, then in Congress? You have been a long time congressman.
So it feels good. It feels good, and lots of people who were working with me in the Congress, now they have also joined BJP. And I've known all these people in the BJP also for a very long time, because from 1996, almost 30 years ago, my father had contested. That time there was a tie-up with BJP, Haryana Vikas Party, and BJP had a tie-up. So I know all these people. And when I was MP here for 10 years, I never differentiated between different people, different political parties. I worked with everyone, for everyone. So I get a lot of love and support from everyone in my constituency.
Okay. So please tell us why is it important for you to be an MP? You are an established businessman, philanthropist, and you are into so many works, and you are doing social work. Your family has been that, they have that checkered history. So why does being an MP, why important for you?
Because I want to not just work for a million people, I want to work for a billion people, and that's why I chose politics as a means of making the country of my dreams. And you can have a far-reaching impact. And then we have family relations with with thousands and thousands of families in each and every MLA constituency over here, started by my father. So it's that relationship people expect, and it's a reason. Because see, without a reason, you don't go to somebody's house. So this gives you a reason to go to people's houses. People then come to your house. So you build a relationship. So that's the relationship that we have with the people over here. And I enjoy working with people. And I have lots of dreams, unfulfilled dreams for this region. I want this region to really develop, people to really prosper in this region. So I worked here for 10 years from 2004 to 2014.
Yeah.
And I gained a lot of experience, but I really want to use all that experience and further develop the area.
What are the key issues you are going with to the people here in Kurukshetra?
See, key issue one is unemployment. And for that, to tackle that, I want to set up two institutes, India's best vocational training institutes.
Okay.
One in Kurukshetra and one in Kathal, where we'll be training 10,000 students, 10,000 youth every year. And then they'll be getting much better jobs. If they are trained, they can get much better jobs in India and abroad also. We'll try to have tie-ups with different countries and different universities there, different vocational institutes in other foreign countries also, so that they find that these people are trained as per their standards. That's what I want to do. And then also that's just one of the things. I want to improve the quality of education here. I want to improve the quality of service in the hospitals, the quality of infrastructure, and I really want to develop Kurukshetra as a top-class tourist destination for spiritual and religious tourism. After all, this is the land where Mahabharata was fought. This is the land where Lord Krishna gave the sermon of Gita. It's a very historic land. It's a very it's very important for all of us. So I want to develop it so well that and that everybody from all over the world would want to come to Kurukshetra.
You are also aware, your party is also aware, even all of the voters in Kurukshetra are aware that there's so much of resentment among the voters for BJP, and you know that. We have
So
seen
that you are assuming that.
no,
No,
I
you are
have talked to people.
no. So you may have spoken to people.
Hmm.
So in a democracy, obviously there are different viewpoints,
Hmm.
but you can't emphasize so much that there's so much of resentment. It's not so much.
Hmm.
There may be some, but there is overwhelming support
Hmm.
for the BJP.
Hmm. Okay, and your opponents from both parties, I've talked to both of them. They are accusing that Naveen Jindal could have won, with mightier majority if he could, contest from Congress than BJP, because आप 10 साल तो रहे थे उसमें सत्ता से बाहर, और अभी कांग्रेस का एक माहौल बनता हुआ हरियाणा में दिख रहा था। तो आपका ये स्विच करना, कितना आप इस चीज को कैसे देखते हैं कि कांग्रेस ज्यादा सही विकल्प हो सकता था इस अभी जो हालात हैं?
So you don't change your parties just because you want to win or lose. Or, it's not for that. There are so many reasons. When you leave your company, I'm sure you would have changed
Yeah,
your
yeah,
company
yeah.
also. It's just not. So there are many reasons for that. So let's not get into the reasons. I am inspired by the work that BJP has done. I'm inspired by the work that Mr. Modi has done, and I wanted to work with them. That's it.
Okay. I was going through your journey as businessman, and I just came across a fact that in 2014 your company was in huge debt, and in last 10 years you have turned everything around. How that experience you'll use in the area of public in politics arena?
So basically, focus. You have to be focused on your job and do one thing at a time. We take up too many projects, too many things at the same time, and not able to give our focused attention on any one of them. Focused attention, resources, everything. So you have to take up things on priority and do one thing and then after the other, and like that. So that's what we work with strict discipline in our company, and that's what I want to do in my constituency also, and take up important things which really will make a difference in people's lives. First complete those, then take up other jobs.
Okay, your opponents also accusing you of being silent when farmers were doing protests in Haryana. They were being stopped from going to Delhi, and you were in Congress, but you were silent. What was the reason, and how do you take this?
No, I was focusing on my work. I was always been in touch with people, and there weren't really any people from Haryana. People who were stopped, they were from Punjab. And what's the point? If somebody wants to say something in a peaceful manner, they can. But if if the government wants to keep law and order and not create any kind of inconvenience for the people, how can? So there's nothing. Farmers in Haryana are very happy. You can speak to them; they have no issues. It's just some people with vested interest, they try to create issues. Otherwise, farmers in Haryana are very happy.
Okay, so you are meeting farmers, and
Yeah,
you
we're
are
meeting
not
people
finding
all the
any
time.
kind of
No, I mean, you can speak to everybody. Everybody has problems. It's not something that I'm sure you have many problems. I have many problems, but does it have something to do with your family or government, or it depends what the issue is. But on the overall, people are very happy with the government. Government has done everything right for the farmers, for the workers. Government has done a good job.
And what is your blueprint for the area of Kurukshetra? Because this is not just an area,
Yeah.
this is a religious place as well. So how do
So,
you envision this?
So I explained to you that I want to really develop the infrastructure here, all the historic sites to have really good infrastructure, really well managed, well developed, and then other than that, there are 900 villages are there. So Kurukshetra is just the name of the parliamentary constituency.
Yeah.
There are 9 assembly constituencies. There are 900 villages. So every village, there different requirements are there. In Haryana, villages are quite developed. The basic amenities are there, but it's definitely things can further be improved. So we'll work on different areas, different requirements. For different areas, we'll have different plans as per their requirements and implement them.
Okay. How do you see the caste dynamics of this constituency?
Okay,
Because
I don't focus on caste dynamics. I have supporters from all across. I do not go for any particular caste or anything, neither do I believe in it. And I think these are the things of the past. Okay, today we have to rise above the caste, above all these affiliations, even above party affiliations, and see what is in the best interest of the country. Okay, here we have an opportunity, people have an opportunity to build the country of their dreams, to vote for a party that wants to make India a developed country. So that is what I would all your viewers also, please support BJP, because it's Mr. Modi who has said that he wants to develop India as a developed country, Viksit Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat, and a lot has happened. And BJP's manifesto, the Shapat Patra, is a step in that direction. So please support us so that we can build the country of our dreams.
One announcement you would like to make for the farmers of this area, because they are little agitated, because I have talked to so many people.
Sure.
I have seen and witnessed this agitation. So one announcement you would like to do as BJP candidate from Kurukshetra.
देखिए, मैं अपने किसान भाइयों को मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि किसान देश के अन्नदाता होते हैं और हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने हमेशा किसानों के हित में ही काम किया है, हित में ही फैसले लिए हैं, और आगे आने वाले समय में भी हम यही चाहते हैं कि हमारे किसान भाई बहन सारे बहुत खुशहाल हों, संपन्न हों। तो इसलिए
ये बम्पी राइड है, थोड़ा सा पॉलिटिकल भी है बम्पी राइड, और वैसे
ये कुछ सड़क बन रही है, तो इसलिए काफी हिलजुल रही है। तो इसलिए हम सभी का हमें सभी का आशीर्वाद चाहिए कि ताकि हम और आने वाले समय में अच्छा काम कर सकें। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही है जिसने जितने भी छोटे किसान थे जिनकी 5 एकड़ से जमीन कम है, उनको 6,000 रुपए की सम्मान निधि और हर वर्ष दे रही है। यही पार्टी है जो कि किसानों के खाते में डायरेक्टली पैसा दे रही है, ना कि किसी बिचौलियों के थ्रू, ताकि किसान को पैसे जो है डायरेक्टली मिले। तो इस तरह के बहुत से सुधार किए गए हैं, और आने वाले समय में जो किसान भाइयों की बहनों की जो भी उनकी आवश्यकताएं होंगी, हम उनको पूरा करेंगे।
अभी एक एक्यूजिशन ये भी है आपके ऊपर कि आप बहुत बड़े बिजनेसमैन हैं, आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, तो कुरुक्षेत्र की जनता को ऐसा बंदा चाहिए जो 24 घंटा अवेलेबल हो यहाँ पे। तो हाउ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस?
वो तो देखिए, लोगों को जिसको आपने जैसे विपक्षियों से बात की, उन्होंने कह दिया कि टाइम नहीं है। जो सांसद का जो काम होता है, मैंने सांसद का काम करूंगा मैं, और सांसद का काम जो है दिल्ली में भी होता है, संसद में भी होता है, संसदीय समितियों में भी काम करना पड़ता है, संसद में भी तैयारी करके जाना होता है। सांसद का काम ये नहीं होता कि आकर के खाली अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में आकर के जाकर के बैठ जाए। तो इसलिए जो है ये सब बातें लोग समझते हैं, सारे बात लोग बहुत समझदार होते हैं। सांसद का काम जो है देश के लिए कानून बनाने का भी है, और मैं कोई अकेला नहीं हूँ। मेरे साथ जो है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लाखों वर्कर, लाखों पदाधिकारी, हजारों भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता, हम सब इकट्ठे हैं। तो इसलिए कोई चीज जो है, मैं तो एक उसमें सिर्फ संसद के अंदर लोगों का प्रतिनिधि हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ काम करवाने के लिए मैं भी रहूंगा, और साथ में हजारों बाकी भी साथी हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के। हम मिलजुल करके हम लोगों के लिए हम काम करेंगे।
एक ये नैरेटिव बहुत चल रहा है इन चुनावों में, 2024 के चुनावों में, कि अब की बार 400 पार, और अगर बीजेपी थम्पिंग मेजोरिटी के साथ आती है तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बदल देगी, ये आखिरी चुनाव है, लोकतंत्र बचाओ। हाउ डू यू सी दिस द एंटायर नैरेटिव एंड हाउ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट?
देखिए, ये सिर्फ जो है कुछ लोग अफवाहें फैलाने में एक्सपर्ट होते हैं। ये लोगों को जो है कई बार बोलते हैं कि छोटे झूठ से अगर बड़ा झूठ बोला जाए तो बड़ा झूठ जो है ज्यादा लोगों को समझ में आता है। तो ये इस तरह की ये झूठ फैलाए गए हैं कि संविधान, अभी भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास जो है बहुमत था, तो कौन सा संविधान बदल दिया? तो संविधान जो है, ये सब जो है सिर्फ अफवाहें फैला रहे हैं। लेकिन लोग बाग अब समझने लगे हैं, क्योंकि हम भी इन बातों को समझाने लगे हैं कि ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो है वो आएगी, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी आज लोगों के दिलों में बसते हैं, उन्होंने बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक फैसले उन्होंने देश के लिए लिए हैं। इसलिए जो है लोगों का हमें बहुत, जहाँ जहाँ जा रहे हैं आप देख रहे हैं, हमें लोगों का बहुत समर्थन और आशीर्वाद हमें मिल रहा है।
वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत बड़ा इशू है पूरे
मैंने आपको पहले बता
इंडिया में।
अच्छा,
वो स्किल की बात जो आपने की, स्किल डेवलपमेंट, इसके अलावा और कौन से ऐसे पहले हैं, ऐसे कौन से इनिशिएटिव्स हो सकते हैं गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जिससे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का ये जो प्रेशर बना हुआ है वो पूरा थोड़ा
देखिए, एक तो
release
हमें क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन को इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए। अगर हमें अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कम करनी है तो जो बुनियादी जो शिक्षा मिलती है वो मिलती है स्कूलों से।
जी।
तो स्कूलों के अंदर जो है अच्छी शिक्षा, अच्छी गुणवत्ता की शिक्षा जो है हमें बच्चों को देनी चाहिए। और उसके बाद जो है स्कूल्स में, कॉलेजेस में, सभी जगह जब क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन इम्प्रूव होगी, क्योंकि आज आप काम करने वालों को ढूंढेंगे, अच्छे जर्नलिस्ट नहीं मिलेंगे आपको, अच्छे ड्राइवर नहीं मिलेंगे, अच्छे प्लम्बर, इलेक्ट्रिशियन, अच्छे किसी भी चीज़ में जाएंगे तो आपको अच्छे ट्रेंड लोगों की आज हमारे देश में कमी है। अगर हम अपनी क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन इम्प्रूव कर देंगे तो काफ़ी जो है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट मैं समझता हूँ, क्योंकि ज़रूरत है, हमारा देश बहुत तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ रहा है और लोग बाग अच्छी एजुकेशन के साथ वो खुद अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो सकते हैं। खुद जो है जो स्टार्टअप्स हैं, बहुत से आजकल युवा जो है अपना खुद का काम करते हैं, खुद का नया नया काम करते हैं। इसलिए बहुत सी संभावनाएं हैं जहाँ पर युवा काम कर सकते हैं। और इसमें कोई सिर्फ कोई मेरे अकेले के पास कोई जादू भी नहीं है कि मैं खाली कहूँ कि ऐसे हो जाएगा। तो इसमें सभी को, समाज में सभी दलों को, सभी लोगों को मिलकर के इस पे काम करना पड़ेगा कि हमारे युवाओं के पास रोजगार हो, उनके पास काम हो, और ताकि वो अपना जो यौवन है वो देश को, अपने सपनों के भारत को बनाने में लगाएं, ना कि अपना टाइम खराब करें। तो ये हम सबका दायित्व बन जाता है, इसमें हम सबको मिलकर के काम करना है।
Thank you so much for your time and talking to us.
Okay,
Thank you so much
thank
and
you,
all
all
the
the
best
best.
for your
Yeah,
election campaign.
okay.